If you're at home this week in Washington, D.C., and find yourself waiting in a fairly long line at a Capital One branch, there's a good reason. Most of them are right here in Austin. This week, Capital One has literally taken over downtown Austin. They've assumed total control over Antone's restaurant. They're sponsoring a number of different events and activities, and they've got several announcements to make. Some of them are big ones. Let's go take a look at what they're announcing. Amy Heidersbach is the VP of Marketing for Capital One, and Capital One has a huge presence here at South by Southwest. We're here at the Capital One house. Amy, what's going on here?
What's not going on here? We love being here at Antone's, an intimate environment, but we've got product announcements. We announced our first natural language chatbot this morning, new discounts in our wallet app. We gave a one-year update about our Alexa skill, and we're demoing all kinds of new products downstairs for all of our guests. We've built a physical experience so they can come in and interact about how they're being beta brave, which is what we're all about here at South by. How are we experimenting? How are we innovating? How are we connecting with like-minded people here in Austin? Because after all, that's what South by is all about. Innovation, new ideas, and connecting with each other around them.
Joining me is Ken Dodelin, and Ken is with Capital One also, and he's got a rather long title, right, Ken?
Not too bad. It's VP of Digital Product Management.
Oh, that was easy. Tell us a little bit about the different products you're representing through Capital One.
Sure. So earlier today we launched Eno, which is the first natural language SMS chatbot from a bank in the U.S. And I've also been heavily involved with our Alexa skill by Capital One, which was the first skill that allowed from a financial services company that allowed folks to interact with their money using the Alexa platform.
So from what we saw during the demonstration, you can basically ask Alexa what your spending habits have been, correct?
That's right. So not only can you ask for your balance of your checking account or savings account or your credit card, but you can say a little more sophisticated things like, Alexa, ask Capital One, how much did I spend at Amazon last month? Or how much did I spend at Home Depot last month? And really get a better understanding of your spending patterns.
Steph Hay is head of conversation design for Capital One, and she can tell us about the relationship between Capital One and Amazon Echo.
Yeah, so about a year ago, we launched our first skill, Capital One skill on Amazon Echo, and I had Alexa, that is, and I had the sheer pleasure of being the lead designer on that skill.
So you're kind of responsible for coaching Alexa to say what she needs to say.
That's right. That's right. And also understanding what it is that our customers want from us and the way that they talk about money in different ways so that we can be responsive and answer in ways that they understand.
Shannon Jones is here at South by Southwest because she's introducing a concept that's very similar to her title. Shannon?
Hi, I'm actually the head of marketing strategy for Capital One Cafes.
Capital One Cafes. Tell us about it.
So basically what it is we have set out to redesign the banking experience by talking to our customers, and through what we found out with our customers is they are banking digitally, they still want a human connection, and they are stressed about money. It's one of the major stresses. The number one stress for Americans is money, and they don't know where to turn for all of the information that they need and everything that's out there. So we took all of those insights together, and we've created the Capital One Cafes, which is a place where people can come in. It's a casual, relaxed atmosphere. Anybody's welcome. You sit side by side with one of our ambassadors who's dressed in some really cool threads that were designed by a Project Runway finalist. Pete's Coffee, they can order you a Pete's Coffee on their Apple Watch as part of the experience. So, we just sit down side by side with you and talk about your accounts, your bank accounts, your credit card accounts, to open an account. So just making it a very interactive and engaging experience. And the place is just meant to explore. We've got digital screens, we've got money coaching, money workshops. So really just trying to meet and work with our customers and fit into their daily lives.
We've seen and heard a lot about what Capital One is doing here at South by Southwest. Some of it's groundbreaking, some of it is really fascinating. So next time somebody asks you what's in your wallet, you can bet it'll be a lot more than just a credit card.